Hello friends, this is your friend Rahul from techblogcorner.com, and today in this video I am going to tell you how you can add Google AdSense code on your new website or any existing website. So stay tuned with me till the end of the video. Let's get started. So what you have to do is once you log into your Google AdSense account, just click on the left sidebar and click on ads. Once you land it on this screen, just click on buy ad unit. Okay, that means you are going to have the ad unit as per your website theme or as per your choice. Okay, for example, you want to have a particular space or size on your website like 300 by 250 or 728 by 90, so you can choose the sizes based on your requirement. And if you go by site, then you will get the auto ad option. That means Google will automatically place the ads on your website based on the availability of the sizes on your website or space. So I'm going to tell you by the ad unit so that you will be having a full control what kind of ad units and sizes you are going to show on your website. So let me take an example by clicking on display ads. Okay, so you can see there are few example like text display ads and image display ads. Okay, by default the ad size is responsive. That means it will automatically change the size based on the screen size of your user device. Okay, so I'm going to name this as a demo ad. You can name it anything so that it will be easily understandable to you. Okay, and if I want to have a custom size, then I will click on this fixed and I will enter the size. The recommended size which are working really well on Google AdSense, so that you can have the uh, higher CPC on your ad unit clicks, because advertiser most likely to have 3 or 4 ad sizes in their ad campaigns. Like 728 by 90 is one of the popular, but I prefer to go with 300 by 250. This is the most preferable ads ad size that is recommended by lot of sites. Okay, so once you click on it, you will see the preview how the ads are going to look like. Okay, once you are satisfied, just click on create button and you will see this HTML default code. Just click on copy code snippet, and if you want to add the AMP code, just click on that tab and follow the instructions. Okay, so I'm going to show you the example of HTML ad. So I have taken copy code snippet and done. Now I'm going back to my site and I want to place the ad on the right side bar. Okay, so I'm going in the widget section. Okay, now you have to drag the widget custom HTML in the desired sidebar location where you want to show the ads. Okay, so right now it is in the footer sidebar. Just for your just for this video. So I have already copied the code and I'm going to use Ctrl V to paste the code. So the code is there. I am going to add this advertisement as a label of the ad and just save it. Okay, now let me refresh the site. You can see the space has been occupied with the yellow space, and it might take sometimes like 30 minutes to start showing the ads on your website. Sometimes it takes longer, but if you are going to see this white space or yellow space, that means your ad has been placed correctly. It is just like they are in the exchange server, like bidding and all. So once your site wins the bid by the advertiser side, then ads are start showing on your website. Let me refresh it again. I hope I can show you the example within this video. I think it needs some time. So I think you get the whole idea how the ads are going to be how the AdSense code is placed on the website. If you want to uh, place the ad within the content, then I would suggest to go with the uh, Google Auto Ads option, because they will help you to get the good ROI. I hope you like my video. Then don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.